Hi, it is about 10:15 at Sanoviv. The entire place is quiet. People are going to bed after having wonderful long days here, days of healing. But I wanted to share with you the sound of the crashing waves that I get to go to sleep with as well. So the healing continues at night here, and that's pretty amazing. It starts with what's on my TV. I'll just get a quick shot of it, but we have amazing music that plays on a particular channel here. Let me show that to you. And now, let me show you the amazing sound of crashing waves. You can't help but have amazing dreams when this is in the background. I know you can't see, but those are waves out there, the beautiful Pacific Ocean. Listen. So, people are falling asleep, but they're falling asleep after having had an incredibly healing day. Today I got pampered a little bit, but I also learned so much about detoxing, digestion, gut health, and how all of the vitamins and minerals in our amazing foods, when we eat well, help synergistically in our bodies, and why we just do need to supplement, and it's okay, because we've got a company we can trust. So bless you, and I wish you all the healing in the world in whatever path it takes. Take care.